Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to post a little quick video here. I wanted to show you how I actually edit my videos before I place them onto YouTube. It's going to be a voiceover. One section is going to be from my phone, which is actually going to be not landscape mode. It's regular stand-up mode, which I always criticize myself. I always criticize others for posting videos that way because that's not how to do it. Landscape mode is the way to do it, but it's the way the program that I use is made, and I had no choice of it. So, and the second part is from once I do it on my phone, I transfer it up to my laptop. And then I have a program on my laptop which I do the final editing on it. I hope you enjoy it. This will be a different one. Well, hello everybody. In this little video, I am going to quickly show you how I edit videos with two different programs. One on my phone, and then I upload it to my Google account for photos, and then download it to my laptop and make the final editing. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead with a project that I have already created but didn't finish. So let's go ahead and click this one right here. It is, see, what I did was I created a text. Okay, that's the title, and I just scroll through it and add different stickers. Let me show you how I do that. What I am going to do is I am going to go up here to stickers, and I'm going to add and click on this other thing that says stickers, and I'm going to click over here to add something that I've already added before. And this is my like and subscribe link, and you'll see that another video that I did. There you go. And that's how I do it, and I do it throughout the whole video. And what I do is I also I'll save it by clicking this little arrow pointing up on the top right of the screen, right next to where it says 720p. I'll click that, and it's going to go ahead and export it. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to exit out of this because I'm not finished with it yet. So that's pretty much how I do the videos from my phone. And next I'm going to go over to the computer, to the laptop, and show you briefly how I do the final editing. Well, hello everyone, and this is the second part of the video where I am going to show you what I use to edit my videos once they're on my PC. So I use a program called VideoPad by NCH, and I want to confirm it there, and I'm going to create a video wizard. Actually, let me get that, and just go ahead and make a new video project. I'm going to add my videos. I got multiple drives here. Let's see. There it is. Alright, and so this is it. Add this video. Also, I am going to add my intro video, which is on my main drive. Alright, I'm going to add that first. Like so. I'm going to kind of shorten it up a little bit. And change the volume lower because the volume gets kind of loud. And now I am going to go up to menu, tools, and video maker wizard. And I'll use the design here, and I'll create my title. And this is okay. I can change the color right here of each line. I'm gonna make this one a nice little yellow one right there. And this one here, I'm gonna make a little purplish, like so. And I put this on to like 10 seconds, and I changed the font to this font right here. There you go. And I'll select next, and create. So, but I'm gonna move this up there for now because I wanted this to go first. And now I'm gonna drag this one right here. And also, for now, the main video. Sure, I got this all right. Something happened to this one here, so I'm gonna have to delete that one. And just a little bit. It's real easy to navigate through this. There we go. Move this a little further out. Oops. Wrong one. Alright, now the reason why I did this because when I created the title, it erased the audio on my first video. I'm going to go ahead and move this back over here. Now it's perfect. And I'll go ahead and add a transition. I'll do a little fade through black. I'm going to keep the frames just as they are. And now I'm going to go scroll to the end and go back up to the menu. Go to Tools again, Video Maker Wizard. And I'll create my ending title, credits title right there. Click it right there. like so. I'm gonna increase this to 10 seconds. I'm gonna change this to the same script that I used for the opening title, which is this one right here. Boom. I'm gonna keep the colors just the way they are. Create, and I'm gonna have to come back over here, and I don't want it to go all the way at the end, so I want it to be on top of my screen, or there we go. Make sure I got this right. Yep. Okay. Perfect. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview it. I'm not going to watch the whole thing. I'm just going to, so I got to redo the audio to 80%. That's what I like it at because it gets loud. And I can also go full screen right here if I wanted to. I normally do that, so let's go ahead and play it. Well, hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, afternoon, whatever time it is in your area. Now to the review. See how nice and easy this is? And here she comes. Hospital food. Welcome to another food review. Hospital food, penne. Oh, it's supposed to be penne pasta. I like the way it looks. So now I am going to go ahead and export the video to a video file, and I'm going to name my video file. There we go, and now I am going to create it, and it's going to take a little while to create. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now, and yep, that's how I do my video editing. Thank you for watching.